What's up, guys? So we out here. I know I haven't posted in like 2 years or whatever, but starting it back up. I guess I should probably start with a update video on my cars, because I think the last car I had was 86 Golf and it was gold, and I actually have it here still. I still have it, but this is it. It's motor's gone because I threw this thing into a ditch, ripping those e-brake slides a little bit too hard. Yeah. And then so then I got another Golf. I got a 92. This one was a two-door. It was green. It was this color green. So it was all that. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen for you guys, so you guys can know what I'm talking about. And then yeah, somebody rear-ended me in that, so it was a little clapped after that. And then some kid traded me 2001 Volkswagen Golf. It's just a 2-liter, but like, I mean, for a broken car I get mint-ish car. It's just on some Raceland coilovers. This kid chopped the muffler off, so yeah, but it ain't too bad. I threw a double din in there, and it's got a 12-inch sub in the rear because gotta have those beats. But yeah, there's an update on my cars and all the shit I've been going through. But today my buddy is gonna come over with I think it's a 96 Ford F-250. We're hearing weird noise coming from his rear end and we couldn't figure it out, so he's gonna bring it here and we're gonna jack it up and get it rolling up to, this noise starts at about 60, so we're gonna get it rolling at about 60 with the rear end jacked up, see if we can find the noise. And then we might also get to throw in some Skunk 2 adjustable upper control arms on my other buddy's Turbo Civic. And I might be picking up some headlights for my Golf. I don't know what they are, but they look better than the ones that are on it. Or either of them get here, because I guess they're running late. I'm gonna see if I can change my center console out, because I got R32 one with cup holders and it looks better. This one is all crusty and nasty, so yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so if I remember, there's a bolt there, and then there's one on the other side too. There's bolts underneath here, and I think there's a couple at the back, if I remember. I don't know, I haven't taken apart one of these interiors for a while, so yeah, those two for sure. All right, guys, so I finally got the center console in. It was a bitch because half the clips are broken. I may have broke one or two, but it's in. We got those 3 more cup holders. We got the slidey thing, ashtray outlet. I wired in my Apple CarPlay / charger, and Levi wired my mic all the way up through my car, so I have a working mic now. But like, I think it looks pretty good. I think it's a solid little upgrade. Got more cup holders, because we all know those are trash if you ever owned a Volkswagen. And yeah, now we're gonna do a differential shit. I just turned it on now. Okay, so we found out what's wrong with Justin's truck. Basically, his drive shaft U-joints are clicking, so the needle bearings in them are probably fried.
And we did that by jacking up the rear end and then spinning it in there.
Yeah, we jacked up the rear end and put it in drive, that type of shit. But so we're gonna go to Lordco, get him new U-joints, and we'll pull Levi's Turbo Civic in, and we'll have a full shop going of working on shit. So this is the Turbski Civic. It's kind of dope. Oh, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Pop the hood. Show you the engine bay. It's probably one of the cleaner Civics you'll ever see out here. There's fat turbos down there.
Yeet.
How much horsepower are you making?
I haven't dynoed it recently, but probably 280 to the wheels.
Yeah, so 280 to the wheels. Self-tuned.
It has to get retuned. Don't worry.
But what's all done to it? What kind of turbo is on it?
It's an AR60, so it's like kind of similar to a stock GTR turbo. Has long ram horn headers, tile wastegate, CX Racing intercooler, water cooled turbo, Honda map sensor 4-bar, Honda S300 computer. Yeah, that's about it. 340 fuel pump, Mishimoto rad.
Have you done internals?
Oh yeah, I got a CX Racing kit online. So it's running like I think 8 and 8.9 compression, really low for turbo. So it's basically gutless unless you floor it.
Yeah.
It's on about 15 pounds of boost right now.
And
I had it at 18, but I turned it down just for fuel mileage.
Yeah. He's running 16x8 Diamond Racing Steelies, 195 50s with a little stretch on them.
That were previously on a Mark II.
We're previously on the Golf over there. Last week we picked up a spoon wing for it. So like full carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's fishbowl life though.
It's dope.
Fishbowl life, it needs a tin.
Yeah. And the engine has ARP head studs and main studs.
Yeah, head studs and
Crank.
connecting rod bolts.
Yeah. But yeah, that's the dope Civic that we're throwing on some Skunk 2 upper control arms.
We'll do a review on it later.
Yeah, an unboxing. Okay, so we just got back. Picked up Justin's differential U-joints. Headlights fell through. Yeah.
You just had to cut holes in your bumper.
But Umar showed up with his SIR. What year is it? 99 SIR. It's lowered on, what's it lowered on? Teens?
Fortune Auto.
Lowered on Fortune Autos. He has work rims for it. B16.
Do these not have the fog light?
Thing's sick.
It was a great one. It was an option you can get from the factory.
Oh, because I know mine has fog light.
Yeah.
But I'm like, it doesn't even have holes in the bumper.
Okay, we got the differential out hella easy. So basically we're replacing the yokes on
Shit, feel this one. I can't even turn it.
this one. We can't even move.
Bro, can I take it for a
Completely
quick
seized
drive?
together.
Holy crap. Yeah, that's the problem.
That's why I was making all the noise. Right, Justin?
Things clap. Full trucks clap.
That's okay. That's why we're out here doing the maintenance. So if I remember from back in school, these clips like to fly out and take people's eyeballs out.
Yeah, that's right.
They're a complete bitch, especially when they're seized and you break them.
Yeah.
Are we gonna break them today?
Nope, we're not gonna break them.
I think we're gonna break
We're
them.
basically red seals.
Yeah, basically, we're first years. It's all good. This is my old center console shit. It's going in the garbage. I'll throw it away sometime. But yeah. I'll bring the video back when we've got the old ones The old yo. Wow, I'm really good at English right now. I'll bring you guys back when we got the old U-joints out or if we're having issues with them, but it seems like all the clips are coming out fine. So when we get the new ones in, I'll get a video going and we'll throw it back in the truck and test it. It'll be dope.
Yeah, we will.
That's Max, you're going to the other side.
There we go. And then you gotta push it in a little bit farther.
Yeah, is it weird with this lens that to be actually close you have to be like this?
Yeah,
And
bro.
you're like in frame perfectly being that close.
That's one dumb pigeon. I think that's Max.
Hey, you don't want to break the clip. Yeah, that's Max.
Yeet.
Man. Yeah, what are you doing down here, Justin? Just fixing your exhaust?
Yeah, it's mint.
Oh, that's so mint.
You know, we'll do a full exhaust this one.
It really shows that it's a Ford.
Yeah. Jimmy rigged.
Jimmy rigged. Oh, shit. I got the U-joints out. They were a little bit crusty, as you can see. Most of the needle bearings weren't even whole anymore. So this is why you make sure your U-joints are greased and replace them. I don't know when you're supposed to replace them. When they start making noise. But that's bad. That's really bad.
That's really extreme.
Alright guys, we're back here with another video. How much to fit this up my ass?
We got the new U-bolts in.
U joints.
Oh yeah.
U joints.
We got the U-joints in. You guys saw all the ones were fried, but that's done. So we're gonna shove it back in the truck and make sure that it works. So he's gonna go test drive it, make sure it doesn't make any noises anymore. It should be mint because those things were fried. That should be the noise. He should be going more than just around in a circle. Yeah, there he goes.
He's taking it for a rip.
Taking it for a rip.
Next thing is full exhaust this thing.
Yeah.
No.
Headers.
Full straight pipe. You know, I'll put my tower speakers back on. Get some tunes bumping for the fans.
For the fans, bro.
We're the fans. We're the subscribers. Well, I think we're gonna end the video here today, boys.
No, it's
But
cronies.
we fixed Justin's truck.
No,
I
it's
threw in my center console.
Nicholas.
We had fun. Check out the next video. We're gonna be reviewing some Skunk 2 upper control arms. Bro, they're not allowed to see it. I'll blur it out. We got some Skunk 2 upper control arms for the Turbo Civic. So check out. I don't know when that video will go up. Probably another month.
We'll be posting
But-
every Tuesday.
Yeah,
2
every
p.m. Eastern time.
yeah. There you go. I was for Western. But check out the next video when I throw it up, and yeah, peace.